Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So, I have a very important, and I don't think I've shared this kind of remedy on this my channel. So, what is this topic? I'm going to be dropping on how to use 3 ways to use alligator pepper for your own benefit. 3 ways to make your alligator pepper works for you. Okay, so that is my main topic today, on how to use alligator pepper to activate good thing, to use it to back to sender, and to use it to draw good thing to your life. I dropped the video about this alligator pepper, this method I'm about to talk now, on my TikTok. Please always click on that my profile and go and can watch some of my video on YouTube. Okay, please, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe and support me as a new spiritual someone that is talking about spirituality. I love it, and it has been doing massively for me. And so I said, okay, let me since the thing is already in my family, like I always said in my first video, I think my second video about it, so it's already in my family about this spirituality of it. As you can see, it's going to work for you. Okay, how it work? So let me, the number one, how to use this alligator pepper. Okay, please, when you're getting your alligator pepper, get the small one. There is big, there's the say the English one and the local one. Please try to get the local one. Anything spiritual, try to use the local one. It's work like magic. So the local one is always small. Yes, so this is it. This one is the local one. As you can see, I already opened mine. Okay, so it's almost finished, because I use it every day of my life. I use this. So this is it. It's very small. The big one is always big. Okay, so get this your alligator pepper. When you get your alligator pepper, please try to open it at the back. Don't just get your alligator pepper and you open it and start using. I will be expecting wonder to happen. If the wonder did not happen, you say, these people are talking this, and it's not working. This, no, you are the one that no use it the way it's supposed to be. Please if you get your alligator pepper, open it at the back. Yes, that is what I'm going to do. After opening it at the back, or you can even bury it. You cannot open some, they used to bury it for 3 days or even 7 days before they can to activate the alligator pepper to start working. But if you cannot go that process, when you get your alligator pepper, you open it. While opening it, you pray, and then you bring it in your front and pray that as I'm about to open this alligator pepper, that let it favor me, let it work magic, let it work for what I want it to work for me. So that is what you are going to say. Then after that, then you open it at the front. Then you open it like this. Okay, so how are you going to use this? Number one, let's start with the number one. If you want to take your shower, hmm, if you want to take your shower in the morning before going to work, anytime you want to take your shower, but especially let it be in the morning or in the night. Okay, but especially in the morning, because in the morning bath means, today we're going to go and look for our daily bread. Okay, so when you get your alligator pepper, then what are you going to do when you went to the bathroom? Okay, take your alligator pepper, bring out 7 seed, add it in your bathing water. Okay, add 7 in the bathing water, then you bring out one before you start taking your shower. Use that one to use it to, from there, to use it to cleanse your body, cleansing away all the bad, that anything that followed you yesterday is not going to follow you today. That you're using this one alligator pepper, that you're using it to cleanse yourself. The reason why we are putting that 7 alligator pepper in that water is to activate yourself, to activate your spirit. Because alligator pepper and water, when two of them match like this, it's work magically. So that is why they ask you to add alligator pepper in your bathing water, so that any bad thing that is trying to follow you, that's trying to come your way that day, as far as you mix that alligator pepper with water to take your shower, that's 7 alligator pepper. Make sure it's 7. Okay, make sure it's 7. So they use it to remove anything that is trying to come your way that day. Then that one seed that you use it to cleanse one that you don't want what followed you like yesterday to follow you today. Are you getting me? So let me stop here. It's not easy, right? So what is the second method of how to use your alligator pepper? Okay, the second method how to use your alligator pepper is, this is your shop, or this is where you're doing your business, or you're working in the company, you're working, and you want to say, because with that says you cannot pay salary if your business, if you not do a good listen. For example, if you're working for someone, but if this is a particular your business, what are you going to do? Get 7 alligator pepper. Go to the bathroom, use it that 7. Just make, don't bring the alligator pepper to this hand. Just make sure pour this. Know how we can do it. Just pour it, then do it like this and use it to like this. That's today I'm in my working place, that I need good thing, I need more favor, I need more customer, that kind of thing. What you want. After saying it, just go outside and throw it at the entrance of where people are coming to patronize you or to buy market from you. Pour it there. Nobody's go. As far as leg and bike and motor is passing there, just pour the alligator pepper there, my dear. That day, it will be like as if you did some kind of magic. No, it's not magic. You already clean your way. You already cleanse your way. You already make way for yourself. It's always, it's always good to always know how to make your day to be good. Okay, I know sometimes we human being always sometimes we have to be in a bad mood. Yes. So okay, let me go for the number 3 topic. So how do you use this? After taking your shower, this is bitter cola. This is bitter cola. Do you know what you want to do? You just have to, this bitter cola, peel the bitter cola. Peel it. Maybe you can peel half. I forgot to bring the half I'm using. Peel half. Take this alligator pepper. Take one like this. As in you bite small. Then you bring the alligator pepper. How are you going to do it? Then bring out 4 alligator pepper or 7 alligator pepper. What are you going to do? Maybe you're in your business or you are anywhere. This thing is coming for good thing, as in what you want. It's just like talk and do, but yes, this one work magic. All of us know that alligator pepper works a very wrong way. So after taking that your bitter cola, put it here. Put it beside your mouth. Use your tongue and put it there. Bring the 4 or 7 alligator pepper. You also take it and you put it there. Know how you talk, because when you talk loud or talk out of control, it will fall. Know how to control yourself. That if you use that amount to say somebody, come and buy, is sharp. Because why? The alligator pepper, you already activated by opening it by you already give the alligator pepper respect, so it's going to work because you already activated the alligator pepper at the back. So why it's going to work? So just get like 4 or 7 on that bitter cola, put it at right side of your mouth, the way you can using your tongue to be controlling it so that you do not fall out on that day. After doing your business or after doing what you want to, just go to the main road and pour it, or pour it away. It works perfectly. So that is the 3 method on how to use alligator pepper. I hope maybe, I don't know, because this my channel is still a new channel. I'm not rushing things, okay? I know, but gradually I'm going to have more subscribers and more people. So for the meantime, this video is going to be a very important video. Yes, so please, if this is, let me say it again, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. I'll be dropping more tips. Okay, so bye. Thank you for listening.